a 3-star hotel. In this video, we will explore all the details about this hotel, like location, landmarks, and room category and facilities also. As you will see on the screen, hotel location, and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. At check-in, the hotel will accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available and enjoy your stay. Numbers are available online for this hotel, along with the various and rating policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so provided. You are facing any kind of problem booking this hotel, you can tell us by commenting. If you have If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you will subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel